Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I review various products I use every day. Today we are diving into two IKEA pieces that have been part of my home office setup for a while now. The Linnmon Adils table and the Matchspel office and gaming chair. If you're looking for budget-friendly, practical office furniture, stick around as I share my experiences with these two popular items. Let's start with the Linnmon Adils table. This is a simple and affordable desk option that comes in multiple colors and finishes, making it easy to match with different room styles. The design is minimalistic, but still looks nice. It doesn't have that cheap, flimsy appearance that some budget desks can have. It's also quick and easy to assemble. I use it as my work-from-home desk, and it holds my laptop stand, mouse, water bottle, and a bunch of other knickknacks I use while working. It handles all that weight without wobbling. It's also very lightweight, which makes it easy to move around if needed. Another plus is that it's stain-proof. I've spilled a lot of things on this table over the years, and everything cleaned up nicely. Now, there are some downsides. When I first assembled it, I noticed that the legs weren't perfectly balanced, which caused a slight wobble. I had to place a small piece under one of the legs to stabilize it. You can adjust this by unscrewing the legs a bit, but in some cases, it's not really enough to solve the wobbliness. Over time, I also noticed some peeling along the edges, especially with frequent use. But considering the price, the quality is actually above expectations. Overall, I would say this is a great desk for small spaces. If you're looking for something functional and budget-friendly, it's definitely worth the money. Next up, let's talk about my Matchspel office and gaming chair in black with a touch of red. I really like the aesthetic of this chair. It is a perfect balance between a bulky gaming chair that doesn't match the rest of my apartment and classic office chairs that feel too serious for the apartment vibe. I've been using this chair for a few years now, both for work and in my free time. One of the biggest selling points for me is the back support. The shape of the chair aligns really well with my back, making it comfortable for long hours of sitting. The backrest keeps my posture straight when I have it in the upright position, and I really appreciate that. The armrests are adjustable. They move up and down, as well as forward and backward. It's nothing fancy, but it's enough for my needs. The chair also has a handle that lets you recline, but one thing I wish it had is more locking points for reclining. The seat itself is very wide and comfortable. However, during the summer, if you're wearing shorts or a short dress, your skin may stick a little to the seat. But it's not a huge issue. I'm very satisfied with the seat. Luckily, the backrest stays cool even in the summer, which is a big plus. Now, let's talk about the negatives. First, dust tends to collect on the back of the chair because of its shape, which is great for ergonomic support, but it does gather a lot of dust. Another thing I don't love is that the chair locks its wheel when you are not sitting on it. This is inconvenient because I keep my chair tucked under the desk when I'm not using it. When I want to pull it out, I naturally grab it by the backrest. But since the wheels are locked, it makes it harder to pull. Plus, this puts extra pressure on the backrest, which can loosen it over time. So, what's the verdict? The Linnmon Adils desk is a minimalistic yet stylish, budget-friendly option that works great for small spaces, while the Matchspel office and gaming chair offers good back support with a few minor drawbacks. Both are solid choices for a home office setup and will give you great value for an affordable price. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe for more honest reviews of everyday products. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!